are your 5 favorite Jordans in your collection right now? I love hearing about what everyone's rocking nowadays, and I want to hear more about that. So I was thinking, hey, I should put out a video talking about my 5 favorite sneakers right now. That way other people can tell me what their favorite sneakers are in the comments below, and then we can all read and see what everyone is enjoying right now in November 2022. It'll be super fun in the future to come back and see what we all enjoyed at this time. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of my favorite sneakers. The first 4 are in no order, but my last one is my favorite. Try and guess what it is. So really quickly, as always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. We are always putting out new content on the channel, so make sure to drop a sub. If you guys are watching this video, you like sneakers, I like sneakers. Let's explore the sneaker world together. Alrighty, let's get into the video. So first up, we have the AJ1 NYC2 pairs. I am really in love with these shoes. I love the gray color, but I also do love the pinks that are underneath it. As you wear this shoe, as you scratch it, as you scuff it, they really start to become very unique to the owner. Around the Achilles tendon area, you can see how the pink is starting to shine through. You get the pink on the swoosh as well. And again, as you go through life with these shoes, they really start to tell a story. So yeah, super cool. I love both colors. I'm excited to see. I drop the shoe. I drop a shoe every video. I'm excited to see how these turn out in a few years, all the scuffs that I'll get on them. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get my hands on a pair of LA to Chicago. But yeah, these are the AJ1 NYC to Paris. Next up is another Air Jordan that I am so happy to have in the collection. I'm talking about the AJ1 in the Atmosphere colorway. I threw in the pink laces. I think they complement the rest of the shoe very well. We have the pink hang tag here. I really like how these shine, the back and the toe box area. I think the blue really mixes well with the pink. I also love how they did the leather on these. While it doesn't feel the best, it definitely looks amazing. That was the second one, the AJ1 in the Atmosphere colorway. Next up is a shoe that I primarily included because of the memories I made while trying to acquire it. I'm talking about the AJ1 in the satin snakeskin colorway. This shoe dropped when EJ was down, and it was just an absolute blast trying to track a pair down. It was just so fun and silly, and it was just a great time. Hopefully EJ will be back down this summer so we can go after and go on more adventures of trying to hunt down some shoes. Overall, I love this colorway as well. I like the red. Personally, I'd probably throw in the white laces. Really just enjoy the memories me and EJ and Cody made trying to get these. Next up is a shoe I love because how out there it is. It's very loud, it's very vibrant. The AJ1, you guys saw a little peek, I bet you can guess what it is now. The AJ1 in the J Balvin colorway. Look how cool these are. Look at all the colors. You get all these laces, you get the patches. This is such a cool shoe. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get the 2s. And if you have the 2s, let me know how you're liking them. Are they worth it? $300 retail. I think that's how much they go for resale too. I could be wrong, but let me know. And also let me know if you have these and if you have really been enjoying them, or are they too loud and something you stay away from. Just look at the rainbow. Super clean. The patches come off. Got the smiley face on the front. Just good vibes. That's what I like about the AJ times J Balvin collabs. It's just really good vibes. You can see it kind of swapped right there. These shoes I do not store in the drop front boxes. I have a shelf up here that I will show you one day when I decide to do the sneaker collection, so stay tuned for that. They're so vibrant and I can't wait to wear them. Look at how cool this insole is. Again, another smiley face. So yeah, number 4. Also, holiday season is coming up and I bet you guys are looking for some gifts, something affordable, maybe for a friend or a family. Well, the Poshmark is up. The link is in bio. We have a ton of vintage style shirts. We have a ton of band shirts, and we have sneakers on there. So make sure to check that out. If you also want to support more, you can definitely check out Kicked Out LV on Instagram. I appreciate everyone's support and everyone who has placed an order. I love packaging them, and thank you so much. Also, we are on the road to 2,000 subs. Another giveaway will be coming up very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Let me know what has been your favorite sneaker so far. Let's get into my favorite. So I believe I was in middle school, and the drop was happening, and my dad and me woke up. See, at the time it wasn't just like, okay, roll over and enter on my phone. I mean, you could do that, but I didn't find that very fun. Like, if my dad offered, I was going with him to Nike Town. Woke up, went over there, big old line. Like, I didn't know how drops really worked. but he was out there asking people, trying to get me a pair of shoes. So that really meant a lot to me. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get them at the time, but I believe last Christmas, he gifted me a pair of the AJ1. I dropped it. Gifted me a pair of the AJ1 Homage 2 Home. And that really meant a lot. I love this shoe. I just think it's so cool how it's split down the middle. Two iconic colorways. Leather quality on these is amazing. And if you're a Scarface fan too, they still smell so good. You can see some dust. That's what I like to see, some dust. They haven't got those crystals yet, but hopefully soon. It means a lot to have them now, and I will definitely cherish them for a long time. I don't have a pair of Chicago's, but look at how clean this looks. 2 pairs in one. But yeah, let me know if you guys have these, how the drop went for you guys. Let me know what's in your sneaker rotation right now. Make sure to stay tuned for the channel because new sneaker content is always going up. Make sure to keep up with me on Insta at JordanVegas, at KickedOutOV. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till next time, guys. Peace.
We're outside the gates of hell, frequently bro Las Vegas. We got these cool t-shirts though. Castle Vampire, Coven of the 13. Super excited. These are the best haunted houses in Las Vegas.